Yo guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Goku Super Saiyan 3 step by step. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. By the way guys, in the end of this video I'm gonna give you a PDF that's gonna help you to drawing this amazing Goku. Now guys, here we go. First, we start drawing these two lines. These two lines gonna help us to add the detail and the element of the face, and the cross is the point of the character is looking. Okay, now pay attention about the ear. In these characters, the ear is really huge. It's bigger. Yes, it's bigger. For drawing Goku Super Saiyan 3, I'm using simple shape, because if I use another thing that is not a shape, it's gonna be more difficult for drawing these characters, because these characters have a lot of details, elements. The distance about the torso is about 2 head. And now, for drawing the torso, I'm gonna use this shape like a triangle. For shoulder, I'm gonna drawing a oval or circle. Now it's time to the Goku belt. Like you see, like you watch, I'm using simple shapes. And now the pants. I reduce the circle of the shoulder, and now for drawing the arm, I use shape. And yes, I'm gonna use shape for all the drawing. If you want, you can pause the video and watch closely how I drawing the arm. I have to say, drawing Goku Super Saiyan 3 is not really easy, because you have to drawing a lot of details, the face change, the hair, the lock of hair is a lot of hair, and it's not easy. That's the reason why Goku Super Saiyan 3 or the Super Saiyan 3 don't appear a lot in Dragon Ball Super. Just imagine Akira Toriyama drawing Super Saiyan 3 in all the page of the manga. That's gonna be a lot of work for him. A nice tip is don't be rude with the pencil for depression, because if you make some mistake, you can erase easier. And now the muscle of the front head, now the eyes. For the eyes, it's like triangles. The mouths in Dragon Ball characters are really near to the nose, and the nose is just a triangle. Yes, it's a triangle. These details, and start to drawing the first lock of hair. Pay attention about the lock of hair, cause it's really important in Goku Super Saiyan 3. Now guys, it's time to the chest. Remember Goku Super Saiyan 3, yeah, Super Saiyan 3 guys. Have a lot of muscle. The muscle are huge, bigger, and look mamadísimo, like saying in Spanish. Now it's time to the clothes. For the clothes, I only use simple details. I don't add a lot of details. Now for the feet, I'm make a division for the fingers. Like I said before, if you want to watch closely, you can pause the video and pay more attention about the details, the fingers, because I know drawing hands is not easy.
Algo anda mal.
And now guys, it's time to add the details, the most funny part of all the drawing. I love add details. Now let's reduce the graphite a little and let's begin. Oh my goodness, man, that looked fantastic. Holy chef. I love this. Look at this, look at this. Goku Super Saiyan 3 drawing step by step with a pencil. That looked fantastic. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That helped me. Oh shit. That helped me a lot. And yep. And the final of this video, in the description on the first comment, I'm gonna give you a PDF that's gonna help you to draw in this Goku step by step in an easy way. And see you next time. Bye bye.